let me show you how we can find Clipboard on Realme 14T. So if you decide to copy a text, then after that you should be able to find the copied text or phrase or anything over here pretty much at the top of the keyboard. So we can tap over here in order to immediately use the last copied phrase. Now, if you already pasted the text and you want to still find the copied phrase and use it again, paste it again, then first we're gonna just tap on these 4 squares over here on the left side, and then you should be able to find this icon over here in the middle again, pretty much in the same place as before. So we can tap here. In this case we need to turn on a clipboard, and there we go. We can also find our text over here. We can just keep pasting all the time. Sometimes when there is no text at all, then you should be also able to find the same icon here. And that's pretty much all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.